Hello everyone. Hope all are doing well today. Have you ever wondered how Netflix recommended movies which you love? How Google Maps predict traffic? How ChatGPT answers your questions instantly? Is it magic? No, it is artificial intelligence. If you are near here, I am Ritesh and on this channel we simplify technology in the easiest way. Today we are going to learn about and understand about what is AI, artificial intelligence, what is machine learning, and what is a deep learning, and most important, how they are different from each other. Many people uses these three terms interchangeable, but the truth is they are related. At different, think of it like this. AI is the big circle. Machine learning is inside AI and deep learning is inside machine learning. Let's break this down by step. So first let's understand what is AI. So let's answer the big question, what is AI? Let's see. Will AI replace the job? Is ChatGPT AI? AI versus ML difference. We will try to go deep dive in all this. So first we'll see whether it's everyone think about every are worried about like everything like is it AI going to replace our job? What will happen to the market? What will happen? So we are very much worried about that. Let's see. So AI will transform jobs rather than eliminating them entirely. It's not replace anything. It will work. It will help you. It automates the repetitive tasks and freeing the human for creative works. Suppose there is some work, I have some Word or Excel. From Excel, I need to extract some data. Every time as a manual, I have to go, I have to extract the data, I have to again do something, I have to run the command, I have to filter some different kind of tools to filter the data. What we can do with the help of AI, we can create some automated tool. Whenever the Excel comes or any Word data come, with the using that AI tool, we can extract the data easily. Is ChatGPT AI? ChatGPT is very famous tool which helps to which interacts like a human. I can write in my own language, whether I know English, I know Hindi, I know French or German or any Indian other language. Using that, I can write my own questions or whatever the information I need that I can get from the ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT uses AI to understand and generates human-like text response. So whatever I want to get the answer, we'll go in the detail. We'll go in the next upcoming session how ChatGPT works, how ChatGPT internally do the things, how when we giving the question, how it is understanding the questions, and how it giving the related answer from where it's grabbing the answer. Those all things we will learn about step by step. Next, AI versus ML difference. AI means artificial intelligence. ML means machine learning. AI is the broad concept of smart machine, which all say AI. AI, but behind the thing, lot of things are happening, which is a machine learning, deep learning. Machine learning is specific approach where machines learn from the data. So no one gives like something that you go and learn this. Automatically, whatever the questions we are asking, whatever the answers we are expecting, using that system will learn slowly and it based on that it will give the answer. Let's understand these concepts in the simplest way possible. Starts with the very basic thing. Let's see what is AI. Very simple definition. AI is the ability of machine to think and make decision like human. Instead of following rigid instruction, AI system can understand patterns, learns from experience and solve problem creatively. So it's not like that whatever the rules you have given based on that only answer. Whatever the questions or whatever the things we are doing, based on that the system will learn, AI will learn, according to that it will give the answers to. Suppose one student is looking for the mathematics solution, based on the what kind of questions he is asking, what kind of solution he wants. Suppose I ask one question about the profit and loss, it gives me one answer. If I am not satisfied with the answer or the approach is given, I can ask, give me some different approach. Like that, it will understand the human things, human understand. Thinking of his as teaching computer to smart rather than just following orders. AI system can recognize faces in photos, understand spoken commands, play games steadily, and even write stories or create arts. Whatever I want to create some image. My image is there. I want to create my smart image. I give my image to AI system and chat GPT. What are the AI tools are there? Based on that, it will create, it will give. Common example, we all are using mobiles. We know Siri is there, Alexa, that's a voice assistant, and that understand what you request. If I have an iOS phone or iPhone, which helps Siri, I can, hey Siri, play the song in Spotify. It will start playing the song. Similar way, Alexa, tell me the weather. It will give me the weather approach. Google Maps predict traffic and suggest fastest route. Whenever I want to go somewhere from one place to another way, I give the destination. AI to Google Map will analyze which is the fastest route and which is a free route. It will say ChatGPT converts as AI that answer questions and answer. Whatever I want to ask, I will ask the question, it will give the answer. Netflix, YouTube, those all things are whatever kind of videos we are looking, similar kind of videos it will start suggesting to us. AI in real life, we already know about it. Just now I was talking with the Siri. So like we have Siri, if you can, iPhone, if you are using Android phone, it looks the voice assistant. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant understand natural language and respond to your commands, whatever the things are asking. Recommendation system, Netflix, Spotify, and Amazon, based on the whatever the things are I'm looking, like in Amazon, I'm looking some kind of product, based on that, it started giving the preferences. Self-driving car, autonomous vehicle used AI to detect obstacles, road. Suddenly, if something comes, automatically car will stop. Fraud detection, like today in bank, a different organization, we are working, they are working fraud. So what kind of frauds are happening? Suppose we have, if you say email related stuff, where emails are there, automatically if we enable the spam filter, it will start. Now the Airtel or mobile subscriber also is spam. If your calls are coming from unknown, it will tell whether it's a spam or not. Those kind of things will come. So let's see, what is the machine learning? Machine learning is subset of AI where machine learn from the data instead of being explicit programmed with a fixed rule. So it's not like that we have given something that way only it will give the answer. No, it will learn on its own when what are the questions we are asking. Based on that, it will learn. Traditional programming, how it is a traditional programming earlier? If you write a specific rule, if email contains free, then mark as a spam. That kind of we are writing the program. Machine learning, you provide thousands of example, system 10,000 spam mails and 10,000 good mails. Then automatically next time system will understand which mail I have to say which is spam, which is not spam, based on this past experience. Result, what will happen? System learns patterns and identify new spam automatically, even with different wordings. If different kind of words will also come, but with that system will understand, oh, this is this kind of keyword is there, it means it is a spam. Instead of coding everything in the for a ML, system will discover automatically their own patterns. It will understand with the data and it will become more and more smarter. Let's see what is how its relation with the AI, ML, and deep learning. These are the concept of nested circle where each one of the subset of category. AI is broader actual, the broadest category encompassing all smart machines or system, where it's a machine learning and deep learning. So AI is a broad label of where machine will have all the information, which includes the machine and deep learning. Just now we read about the machine learning. Deep learning is special type of machine learning, which work as a neural network inspired of the human brain. This neural network means different how our human brain work, actually different kind of all the thing, protons will be the different way. That way this deep learning. So how it's a AI depends ML, then it's a DL. This hierarchy shows how each concept builds upon the previous one, with the deep learning being most advanced and specialized approach. We all will go in the deep, all this I will learn. I will go in a very deeper of the machine learning, deep learning, what are the different type, how it learns. We'll go with all the details with it. Today we are going to a very basic thing. The three types of machine learning. There basic. I'm just going with the first, as we are going with the first video, first session. So I will be going with a very basic thing. Will come in a very detailed way in the next upcoming videos. So there are three approaches: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. What is this? Is a teacher approach. Like having a teacher guide the learning process, you provide label data. It means you need to tell about, you need to give the example, spam filter, image, classification, price data prediction. You need to get the give the data. This is the case, how the data has to, how you need to filter for a spam filter, those all needs to. So that's a supervising, means you are supervising and giving the some label kind of thing. Based on this label, it will find. Next is unsupervised. This is self-learning approach. No label provided. The system must find pattern structure to the data on its own. Example, customer segmentation, anomalies detection, recommendation engines. Like we are saying, right, self-learning, like which we say about the route, when we are finding for the any location, how it is self-detecting, right? It's based on the past, which route is busy, which route is easy, which is the shortest route. Based on that, it's giving the route map to the users. Reinforcement learning, this is a trial approach. It will different kind, it will try the game kind of thing. Okay, this is a good or this is bad. Oh, this is bad, no, I should go with a good. This kind of things. Learning through and rewards and punishment, like training a pets with a treat and correction. When you are, when you have a pet and if you try to make them teach, you have to give the training. What suppose he is doing that pet is doing something wrong. You have a dog, sometimes he's doing the means wrong thing, or somewhere it's biting. You have to beat and you have to tell, no, this is not correct, you have to do this way. This is a trial and error approach is there. So this is a reinforcement learning. Let's see what is a deep learning. Deep learning is specialized type of machine learning that uses neural network inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, how human brains work. Human brains automatically learn from the different source. How the child learns about the, if you tell a child learn about the apple, how it learns. One apple, we need to show the different type, even though different color, even though when the child learns about the apple, what are the apple, when it's different color also, automatically the child will identify. This network can process complex pattern in the image, text and sound. So deep learning work with the images, text and sound. Based on that, automatically it will try to understand, it will do the thing. Unlike traditional ML, deep learning can automatically discover the features needed for classification from raw data without human intervention to identify what features to look for. So no one has to tell that what you have to look at. Where you will find learning, image recognition, ChatGPT, self-driving car, and voice assistant. What is a neural network? How neural network work? Neural network process information through multiple layers, each extracting increasingly complex features from the data. How? There is input layer. We are giving the data. It receives the raw data, pixel in an image, word in text, or sound waves in the audio. So as we told, it works on the image, text, or sound, or pictures. Hidden layer. There is a different layer how the neural network works. Multiple layers that transform the input of increasingly abstract representation. Each layer detects different patterns and features. This is what saying, what are the input we are giving. There is some abstract, means some hidden things is there. With the hidden thing, it will detect the data, it will understand the pattern based on the what kind of feature. Then it will produce the output of the final result and classification with a different label, predicted values, or generated response. This is like deep learning with the using a neural network. So just a very last, we say, what is the key takeaway? AI, ML and deep learning. AI, what is? Smart machine generally ability of computer to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. This is works as like a human. Basic to advanced, data needed low to medium. We need to train this. How many questions you will ask, it will learn. Machine learning, learning from the data. System improves through experience rather than expliciting programming. Complete. Moderate, data needed medium. Deep learning, just like brain, human brain, use neural network to discover complex pattern automatically, complex high data. So what we'll do, all this will go with the real life. For example, we'll see the how ChatGPT works, how ChatGPT understand our concern, how we can do smart prompting, how we can do smart questioning to that ChatGPT or any kind of a lot of tools. We will next upcoming session we will learn about the different kind of AI tools, all the things where how to use, and we will see also, and at last we'll see how we can create our own chat gpt which learns. I will ask the question, it will give, so I will feel like okay, I have created my own chat gpt. So like that we'll go. So please stay with us. I and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel so that you will get the next upcoming videos notification. So please stay with us, so getting next good learning things about the AI, as well as all the IT professional. I will come with the different topics, tech topics. We'll come with a different kind of tech talks, technical related. Even though if you have any question, any specific requirement, you can put your comments, you can put the question. I will come with that. Thank you for today.